Okay.
Welcome, bro.
Nice 25. How many money do you have? You 25.7 money you have? I'm 25 only. You're much richer than me. Get out!
Get all the zombies, bro.
But what happened? Look at this. I'm not even naked. Gojo, 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 gojo. Gojo, gojo, gojo. Look at that. We're running out of fuel. So we should get some fuel from this zombie. What is it? So what happened? Are you in the general store? Yeah, give me ammo. Yo, I just got on top. I just got on top. Hey, Ian, have you just got on top? How?
I got the ammo.
Kay Ian, look outside. Look outside. Ian, look outside. Kay Ian, look outside. Nga. Look outside. Look outside.
You know, get this.
Peekaboo.
Pick it up.
Thank you so much, bro.
You're welcome, bro.
Hi.
I told you to get the zombies.
Oh, yeah. He just there. Yo, get this. Oh my god. Mariana Crush.
Huh? Ano yun, baby?
Mariana Crush. Last night. Bro, where the wolf? We need some fuel, bro.
Wait, don't drive.
Bro, just get it. Okay. Oh, it's your protection. It's bulletproof. So we need.
No, put it down. Give it to me. Put it down. Let me put it.
Other side.
I'll put the other side.
Kaya yung itsura ng plot niya, medyo mahaba na rin yung pinagtubuan. At over yan kasi added siya.
Lol. How are you supposed to?
Na itong Helpix na zero ammonia. Ito nga yung ginamit ko kay mama at talagang napakaganda.
Bro, what is wrong with you,
na
bro?
Brown at ash plant. Hindi ko pa nga alam kung anong kakalabasan yan. Kaya naman hanggang dulo patuloy.
What is wrong? How are you supposed to? Oh, how is he supposed to get in? How are we supposed to get in? Bro, they can.
Move.
I can do. Bro, it's not even.
I said,
Ha?
parang ko amoy yung maasin na.
Kasi yan,
Doon.
sabi ko na yung sapatos, sinilit mo, ilagay mo dun sa ano.
Di ba yung paa ni Kuya ang amoy yung baho. I said, don't move it. Let me touch it.
Okay, Ian, we're supposed to make it not get us. And only us can get in.
Yeah, no.
last time we did this, and now you're trying to do, and then you're struggling.
Yes po.
You should, oh, yan. Kay Ian, how are you supposed to get in?
Either we're going in na. Oh, give it to me, give
Ay,
it to me.
sige, tatapusin ko na lang. Tatapusin.
Bro,
Baka na matumal.
Bro, no.
Baka hindi na muna ako kumuha.
Wait did you take it
Bababaan ko
off?
lang.
You're caver. You're minor, bro. Kaya Ian, you're minor. And
Matumal kasi alam naman ng Ate Rita yan. Matumal. Mahirap
No,
na gano.
no,
Mahirap
no, no.
kuha. Tapos hindi tayo makakabayad.
Why is it like that?
Yeah, so no one will get.
Madaling umutang.
Oh, see, dude.
Madaling umutang. Ang pagbabayad ang mahirap.
Bro, it's on the wrong place.
Get the level.
Where?
Yeah, down there.
Kasama yung ngayon.
Nothing can stop us, right?
Sige. Tapusin na muna. Ang hirap sabay-sabay ang hulugan. Diba? Eh, buti sana kung malakas tayo. Bukas ate, pull out tayo ng isa. Bukas ng gabi.
Ian, you said it.
Bro, why did you move it?
Here because
Sobrang tumal.
Get in now. Because you moved it. Bro,
Eh wala, ayaw naman
earlier,
ng pangalan na
dude.
bigay ng discount.
it's nothing. It's giving. Don't put it like this.
Kaya nga sabi ko sir kami.
Okay, that, like that.
Isang sa
There.
tindahan. Sabi ko ako.
Like this doesn't work.
Oh, don't move this.
Wala na.
Don't move that. I'll tell you.
Eh, si Madam man pa naman si Madam.
Bro.
Ay, din lang din namimili sa 168.
Bro.
Marami.
We can just take it in small hole.
Go na, go na.
Kami
Get out there.
Kaya Ian, why is it like that? They can just put in small hole.
No, they can shoot it.
Mababa yung mag-presyo.
No one can get in if it's like that. Get out the zombie.
Maybe just get this goofy out.
Wala na si Batman. Eh wala eh, hindi. Sinabihan na,
Thank you.
sabi nga ni Sir Alan, si Sir Alan talaga nagsabi naman
Where's the zombie
Anel,
though?
ano, di wag na muna tayo magpapasok na may kapalas, mag-market ka na lang ng ano, kasi ang gusto ni Sir Alan, yung harapan, gusto mga, ano, yung, ano, sapato, tsinelas dapat ni Madam Chime, ilalabas, katabi natin sa accessories. Tapos yung likod, ang gusto mangyari ni Sir Alan, puro pagkain ang ipasok. Para wala nang katulad. Eh, nagreklamo si Sir Junel, hirap daw
Maybe just put
mag-market.
it down.
Kaya yung sa damitan, magpapapasok sila ng
Gana,
isa. Tapos,
Come on!
sa accessories, isa.
Oh wait, I
Ah,
fell.
Ano naman,
I fell, bro.
Okay, bro.
ang kakainin
Bro,
na
I
niyan,
fell.
tayo pa itong mawawala na matagal na, di ba? Magpapapasok sila ng bago.
Bro, look, I cannot
Paano ka pa
even
magrereklamo
get on
doon?
like that.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
Di ba,
That's why you
nakiusap na nga ako na sir, baka naman
Ito.
pwede huwag na muna magpapasok, makabawi-bawiban lang kami. Nakiusap na ako kahapon
Go
sir.
na, go.
Eh, wala naman daw magagawa.
Hey,
Ang dami
hey,
na daw baka
Then, bro, it's not even, nice. No, why are you already shooting?
stop. Push the gold.
Ay, sabihin, mag-vote na nga. Ayun nga, kita mo naman.
Why did you just wasted it? Why did you just waste it?
Ay, wala. Kaya nga,
Bro, why did you just wasted that? Why did you just wait? We should go over there. Hey, come over there.
magagawa. Kahit tayo magreklamo. Kahit nga yung ano nireklamo ko
Bro,
yung tiya.
are we having a
December, yung
race?
nangyari ng December, nireklamo ko kay Sir Alan. Sabi ko pa kung gano'n. Babawi ng December. Kaya nung nangyari, nag-negative baka ako kami. Gawa ng pinapasukan.
Get out.
Nakausap ko yung namin kako si Madam, ay si Joanne. Yung sabi reklamo. Alam mo ba ang sagot sa akin ni Sir Alan?
No, shoot it in the head.
Mapapansin pa natin daw na tuloy-tuloy ang ating matutuloy. Katulad nga no, kumalaban, eh di imbis na kumita doon ng babae. Sinabi
I
ko
got a
lang ako kay Sir
statue.
Alan.
I have a statue.
Ano sila eh?
Look at this statue, bro.
Isang buwa ay magdadalawang magdadalawang
Look, I have a statue.
dadalawang taon na sana tayo sa October ng dalawa ang pwesto, di ba? Eh sila ang hindi sila marunong
I have a
mag-alaga.
statue, kuya.
Ang tenant,
What happened?
sa kanila ay ano lang, sila lang ang kumita. Kaya sabi ni Sir Alan kahapon na ituloy ko pa daw. Sabi ko, hindi na sir. Wala na kaming kinikita.
Yo, let me just grab this real quick. Yo, is this stone statue?
Sinabi ko nga sa kanya, tingnan mo sir, wala nang kalaman-laman ka ako yung
Yo,
amin.
let me just Hey!
Pinakita ko naman sa kanya.
Hey!
Sabi ko kay Sir Junel, parehas kami sir ng ano, parehas kami ng desisyon ng atin.
No, let me just-
talaga ng
Let me just add this statue.
Pero nagsabi na si Jubilee, nagsabi daw
I just found this statue.
Sino daw ang kukuha.
I found that.
Natat naman yung dati pa.
What happened, bro?
Na magkapit.
I found this goofy ass statue. Bro, why did you make this statue fall? I need it this.
Huwag na lang, huwag na lang.
I need this statue. Not yet. We don't need this.
Ang pwede. Kaya mo.
I have this statue. Wala. Try.
Wala talaga.
Bro. Oh my gosh. There's some sound?
Tinulungan ko na nga siya sa sarili niya.
Keep shooting them, bro. Why did you even do that? That was the dumbest thing.
Mahal kaya din sa atin.
Diba?
Hindi naman yung airport. Terminal ay ano beer. Diba dami din tao? Kaya kahit yung sa gitna mo.
Garden ba? Stay, stop. Stop, bro, stop.
Doon tayo magtayo ng isang tindahan. Kahit tayo na magbantay.
Eh. Kay Ian.
Kaya nga, tsaka mura lang. Magkano lang ang isang
Kay
buwan.
Ian. Ian. Kay Ian is only mother.
Pang ano, dapat din
Hey.
souvenir shop. Diba? Eh, pwede naman
Yay,
yung
my
ating
statue.
item.
Yay,
Ang
thank you.
souvenir naman yun. Diba?
Me that. Help.
Kailangan maghanap na naman ibang negosyo na hindi nakakapit sa kanila.
You don't drive yet.
Mahirap.
Don't drive yet.
Nangiiwan sila sa ere. Imbis na sila ang kakampi mo.
Go na.
Nang minute
Diba?
put it right here.
No.
Imbis na sila ang ano eh.
Let's go.
Where did you start to go?
Pwede na ano. Pwede pa natin.
Bro.
Kailan?
Go na.
Kaya,
Kumpita pa lang.
Good.
money talk. You get in.
Yeah, just go there.
Kaya nga. Marikop. Ano?
Money talk.
Tinatama mo.
Dirty Casadillo.
Tinatama ako yung
Dirty Casadillo.
ayun. Baka
We have to wait here.
Ha?
No, stay right there. No one can get you.
Look at that.
My gun fell. Yeah, don't go outside.
Your gun fell? You lost it? But did you even drop it? That's why you shouldn't do that. I'm just searching.
Bro, told you not to go outside. Where are you going?
Keep up, I'm too fast, I'm not too fast. I'm like I'm done. Help me.
Kill the turret. Don't kill the turret. Bro, kill the turret, bro.
Bro, I'm trying to get this goddamn rid of him. Where are you?
Bro, I'm going to get killed.
Let's go. We're a team.
oo.
Yeah, you lost all the way. Shit, I just headshot it. I just headshot on zombie.
Yeah, give me your gun. Give me your gun.
Why?
Give it to me. Got it.
Wait, so fun. Yo, I need to use my bandage.
We only have...
Oh my god, Goofy,
Bro. sir. Kill it, kill it. Sir.
Lahat, sabi niya, isa.
Go inside na, go inside.
Di
Is
magbabay.
there more?
Yeah, go inside the train, go inside the train.
Okay. Will I hear that? While I hear? I am driving.
Bro, help me. Bro, I died. I died, bro. I died. Bro, I died. Get me. Get my body.
Okay, let me just...
Kill them all first. Run, go run, go run, go run. No, why did you? Oh, here.
Oh, it just walked over. Oh my god! Did you... Run, bro!
Oh, we died.
Down.
It's over now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that.